what was Reclaim the Night movement and how did it go about?
So, Reclaim the Night came about because there was one lady who said that the women folk of the city, of the state, would come forward the night for Abhaya, which was the night we've been speaking about, the night which went into the 9th of August, and show their protest, make it a safe haven for the women of the city and the state. And of course, there'll be men accompanying them, but it was a mass movement by women, for women, appealing about women's security. And रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं सोचने से, आप अगर उस दिन रात को कलकत्ते में होते, you would have seen the amount of mass movement there was. And Reclaim the Night was a night that will be remembered by all for me for the rest of my life. But equally, the rallies that we have gone to, Kapil, जहाँ पे गए हैं, चले हैं, you know, we cause inconvenience when we go on rallies. Believe it. I mean, I'm sure you understand that. ट्रैफिक रुक जाती है, बसें रुक जाती हैं, लोगों को काम पे जाना होता है, उनका काम रुक जाता है. जब हम लोगों ने 2-4 बार ऐसा भी किया कि हम लोगों ने एक पार्शियल हॉल्टिंग ऑफ वर्क किया, नॉन इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज हम लोगों ने रोके, तो लोगों को तकलीफ होती है. बट आई again goosebumps when I speak about this. So I was walking by Alipur from our hospital up towards Woodlands. There were about 2,500 of us.
Wow.
The buses were waiting, the taxis were waiting, and you had little old ladies coming out of their buses, coming out of taxis, Ubers, standing and clapping and saying, "We want justice." You know, these are 80-year-old. There was a lady who was in a wheelchair on the pavement. She got the person who was pushing the wheelchair, probably her son, to get her into the rally for about 2 minutes. She went along with us and she said, tears in her eyes, tears in my eyes, that we also want justice. I have never in my lifetime seen something like this. It's unlikely I'll be there for long. But the fact that the state had stood up and appealed for justice was something which appealed to every individual, and they were happy, satisfied, and I use that word happy with intent, happy that they were being inconvenienced for a cause which was close to their heart, which they felt strongly about.